Hello, my name is Gumby, and I drive a V8 Mini Cooper. I am probably the most skilled driver around here. Pokey's got nothing on me. My name is Pokey. I'm a horse and I have no idea how to drive, but I got this. State-of-the-art racetrack is made entirely out of Yu-Gi-Oh cards, so you know we're ready for some NASCAR up in here. Let's take a look at some of the special features this $1 million track has to offer. If you look at point AB, that is a tangent line. Compared to point CD, those two lines are perpendicular from each other. The marked areas on the track represent the stands that people will be sitting in to watch the race. Because both of these stands are tangent to the middle of the track, they're both equal to each other and therefore the same size. Fans enjoy to watch the Mini Coupe 500 from inside the racetrack. Here at Yu-Gi-Oh! Card Tracks Incorporated, we believe that the customer is always right. Therefore, we have come up with a beautiful plan to maximize your viewing experience. If you notice, the measure of angle AOB is congruent to the measure of angle COD. This means that the line AB and CD are both congruent to each other. This maximizes our viewing experience of the Mini Coupe 500, of course. In addition to that, the two arcs on the outside of the track are also congruent to each other. So it's a guaranteed fact that the viewers will be able to see some awesome drifting action from the Mini Coopers. We at Yu-Gi-Oh! Card Tracks, or YCT, come up with new mathematic breakthroughs every day. For example, the measure of ABQ is 10. How do we know that? We know that because the measure of the arc AQ is 20. Obviously, we have come up with a beautiful equation to solve that. The measure of B equals 1/2 of the measure of arc AQ. This equation could also be reversed as to say the measure of angle ABQ. If you double it, you'll get the measure of the arc AQ. So if you multiply 10 by 2, we'll get 20. Scientists work hard to discover new mathematic breakthroughs daily. I mean, look at these scientists just doing math out here. Our scientists have just recently come out with a new mathematical equation to find out the measure of angle 1. The measure of angle 1 equals 1/2 of x plus y. What does this mean? This means if you take arc x and arc y, add them together and divide it by 2, you will end up with angle 1. Much like the last equation, we are trying to find the measure of angle 1. The measure of angle 1 equals 1/2 of x minus y. What does this mean? This means if you take arc x and subtract it from arc y, and then divide that by 2, we will come out with the measure of angle 1. You know exactly where to take your friends and family. We have divided this track into 4 different quadrants: arc 1, arc 2, arc 3, and arc 4. Each lap around our state-of-the-art track is 9,000 miles long. How did we find out that number? Well, we use a simple equation. The circumference equals 2 pi r. Final equation is the equation for finding the length of each individual arc. The length of arc AB is equal to the measure of arc AB divided by 360 multiplied by 2 pi r.
You 10, that makes 11.
But no man stays on top
Absolutely, ma'am. I'd love to sign your baby. You're not going to want to wash that forehead.
forever. Well, the big news is that NASCAR has gone French.
I am coming for you, Lucky Booby.
He's in the wall.
Uh-oh. Yep, I'm flying through the air. This is not good.
I'm on fire! I'm on fire! You're not on fire, Ricky Bobby! Help me, Jesus! Help me, Jewish God! Help me, Tom!
Are you ready? Ooh, I know you see me standing here.